stretching. All right, today it's time for active stretch number 1. Let's put our feet apart so we have a comfortable base. Keep your chest super tall. You're gonna want to go like this. Try your best to stand tall and strong. Pick a foot, and without moving your head too much, you're just gonna swing that leg up. Keep it nice and long and straight, and then swing it up. And I know as you go higher and higher, you're gonna feel stronger and stronger. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. We're gonna put the timer up, and I just want you to swing that leg up and swing that leg up as high as you can. If you're really good, you try to start to go higher and higher. We got 10 seconds starting right now. Let's go. Good. Keeping your body tall. Keep your chin up, your chest out. Just swing it up. Try to go a little higher each time. Nice work. This is for stretching. It's not for power or speed, so we want to really get the stretch. All right, let's do the other leg. Other side. Ready? Go. Bring it up and down. Good. Up and down. Remember, chest is up, chin is up, eyes are forward. You're gonna start to feel it right underneath your hamstring. Good work. And time. Stand tall, sir, and bow. Yes, I can. Our second active stretch today is the arc kick. So earlier we did the rising kick, and what shape was that? Yeah, a straight line. The second kick we're gonna do is gonna be a circle. So with my chest up and chin up, I'm gonna draw a big circle with my leg. Good, just like this. Good, try to do it with me, and we'll try it for 10 seconds. We'll put that timer up for you. Let's go. Good, chest up, chin up. Only a few more times, keep that back high. The bigger the circle, the better your stretch. 2 seconds, time. All right, let's do the other leg. Let me see, draw the circle with your hand first. Nice work. All right, now let's get that leg going. And 3, 2, 1, go. Circle with the leg. Circle, chest up, chin up, good. Keep the circle going. Remember, the bigger the circle, the better the stretch, the stronger you'll get, and time. Stand tall, sir, and bow. Yes, I can. And last stretch for today is active stretch number 3. I want you to put your feet apart, and we're gonna look to our side. We're gonna pick a target on one side of the room, and we're gonna do something kind of funny here. We're gonna turn our butt, kind of point our butt at the target. Put your hand out to your side like this, and keep your legs super, super straight. You're just gonna swing it up. I call this a lazy side kick. You're gonna start to feel the stretch here and some strength here. So we're gonna bring it up just like that. The longer your leg is, and the straighter you keep that leg, the better stretch you're gonna get. Let's try it for 10 seconds. Let's go. Body tall. Remember, I wanna keep my head up. I don't wanna lean. And if you don't go so high in the beginning, it's okay. You'll get there with practice. All right, and time. Let's switch. First, point your bottom, put out your hand, pick your target, and 10 seconds starts right now. Go. Swing it up. Remember, keep that leg long. Keep your head up high. Don't go like this. Good. And 3, 2, 1. Excellent work. Sir, and bow. Yes, I can.